Did you know that some seed oils can contain as much as 75% omega-6 fatty acids, which can lead to inflammation and other health issues when consumed in excess? Seed oils have been increasingly talked about in health and nutrition discussions, and for good reason. They're everywhere, from the food we eat to the products we use. But what exactly are seed oils, and how did they become so ubiquitous? Seed oils are extracted from seeds like sunflower, canola, and soybean, and have become a staple in many food products. They're cheap, they're versatile, and they're easy to produce. But their widespread use has also led to concerns about their impact on our health. The truth is, seed oils can be detrimental to our health in several ways. They're high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can lead to inflammation and other health issues. They can also be highly processed, which can lead to the formation of unhealthy compounds. And perhaps most concerning, they're often hidden in many foods, making it easy to overconsume them. When compared to sugar, seed oils might seem like a healthier alternative, but the reality is that both can have negative effects on our health. Sugar can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, while seed oils can lead to chronic inflammation. But seed oils are often more insidious, hiding in foods we might not even think of as unhealthy. One of the reasons seed oils might be considered sneakier than sugar is their hidden presence in many foods. They're often used in processed snacks, sauces, and even some types of bread. This means that even if you're trying to eat healthy, you might still be consuming high amounts of seed oils without realizing it. Many people also believe that seed oils are a healthier alternative to other types of oils, which can make them a popular choice for cooking and food production. But the reality is that seed oils can be just as unhealthy as sugar when consumed in excess. Their impact on our health can be subtle, building up over time, which can make them harder to detect. According to a renowned nutritionist, the increased consumption of omega-6 fatty acids from seed oils has led to a significant increase in inflammatory diseases. This is a stark reminder of the potential risks associated with seed oils. In conclusion, seed oils may pose a greater risk to our health than we think. They're hidden in many foods, and their impact can be subtle, building up over time. By being more mindful of our seed oil consumption, we can take steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So, what do you think? Have you ever thought about the impact of seed oils on your health? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition, be sure to check out our video on the dangers of sugar and how to reduce your intake.